Morning students, in this video we will understand the options available in our mailbox. First is inbox. Children, inbox folder shows us all the mails we receive from the outsider, friends, companies, advertisement companies, from the e-commerce websites, from everywhere the mails comes, it display in the inbox. Inbox also allow us to sort or arrange the mails. In Gmail there are basically three labels given like primary, social and promotion. Whenever the mail comes in our mail account, children, if the mails comes from social networking sites, Gmail keeps them in the label of social. If the mails comes from any marketing companies for promotion of their products, for the companies giving offers, in that type of cases promotion mails are labeled in promotion label, and the mails that we receive from the friends, relatives keeps in the primary label. So if you want to see the mails that are coming from the social groups, we just click on the social tab, we can see the mails. If you want to see the mails coming from promotions, we can see in the label of promotions. And when we open the inbox, children, generally we see the mails that are coming from the known persons, that are of primary tab. And if we like, we can also create our own labels. Suppose we want to keep all the mails coming from seller companies, we can keep them as a label of seller companies. We want that all the buyers mail should be in the one label, we can keep them in a one label. So if we want to categorize our received mail so that we can easily respond them, we can also create our own label, and we can also set the sender's name in that label, so automatically the mails arrange in that label. That we can do in a contact list, children. Also, if we like, we can just delete the mail by clicking on a delete option. If we want to read any mail, we just simply click on the subject of the mail and we can read the mail. We can forward the mail, we can reply the mail also. We can open the attachment. So inbox gives us facility to manage our mails. Sent folder or sent option. Children, the mails we have already sent over the internet, that type of mails we can see in a sent option. For example, if you want to know that on what date we have sent or what content we have sent to someone, we can just go to the sent box and we can find out about the mails we have sent. Spam. Children, in spam we can also send the message that are unwanted for us, that are coming from unknown persons, and also sometimes Gmail automatically sends some mails in a spam folder. Spam folders keeps the unwanted mails. Gmail automatically sends the mail when it find out that the person is not a known person to us. If it find out that there are some tricky intentions of the person, so that type of mails Gmail automatically keeps in spam. And if we like, we can also just select and right click the mail and we can just choose spam, so that mail from our inbox to go to the spam. Start. Children, in Gmail there is a facility of start and important to prioritize our received mails. If we like, we can mark our mail as a star. You can see if we have a mark our mail as a star, the star color will be yellow. We want, we can change the yellow color. Children, this way we can just shows that this mail is important for us. And if we have marked star, it means whenever we open our inbox, we can find out that these mails are important for us. Also, there is a star option. If we click on start options, we can see the mails we have starred. Start shows that these are important mail for us. Draft. Sometimes we are composing a mail, but we don't want to send it. We have to attach some other files. We have to write some content also in the mail. In that case, that mail will be stored in a draft folder, and whenever next time we have to send the mail, we open the draft option, we open the mail, we just complete the mail, and we can send the mail to the receiver. Trash. It holds all the deleted mails from our mailbox. Whenever we delete any mail, children, it first goes in the trash. In trash, what happened? Automatically after 30 days, trash will be cleared. And if you want, we can also manually clean the trash by click on an empty trash now, or if you want, we can just restore the mail. Suppose we found that the mail is important for us, but by mistakenly we have deleted, so we just right click the mail, we will click on a move to inbox, so we will get the mail again in our inbox. Snoozed. Children, we have received a mail, but for a time period we don't want to see the mail in our inbox. For example, today I have received a mail, or I feel that this mail should be important and I have to reply next week. So this I can do with the help of snoozed option. Snoozed option for time period hide our mail. Our mail will be not deleted from mailbox, but it will be hidden from our eyes, and after a particular time period, again we will see the mail at the top of our inbox. So we can find out that now we have to respond this mail. To snooze the mail, what we have to do, just carefully see right side of the subject, there is an option I have circled. We have to click it. Now it will ask you at what date you want to see it again. We will just enter the date, and you will find out that that mail will be hidden from the inbox. But if you want to see the mails you have snoozed, there is an option in the left side, snoozed. You click on a snoozed options and you will see the list of mails you have snoozed. Okay. And after that time period, children, the mail will be removed from that snooze label and you will see the mail in a inbox. Reply. We are reading a mail we have received. Now if you want to reply to the same mail, we will use reply option. What is the advantage of reply option, children? In reply, what happened? Original message also add as a reference with our new message. So the reader can easily understand our subject. Forward. The mail we have received from someone. If we want to forward the same mail to someone else, we can use a forward option in Gmail. Delete. As I told you, after reading a mail, we find out that this mail is now not useful for us. We can delete the message or mail by clicking on a bin icon that is in the right side, and that deleted mail will be first goes in the trash. Important. Now children, this option shows all the mails which are marked as important by Gmail itself. Children, start manually we marked for important mails, and important option is used by Gmail. It automatically marked some mails as important mails. Keep them in the category of important mails. And if you want to see those important mails, we have to just click on an important label and we can see the mails. Generally, Gmail keeps the mails coming from the known person. With them we are regularly in touch. And if you want, we can also mark a mail as important by just right click and mark as important. So we can get this mail in an important label. In Gmail we have another facility to manage our contact list. Children, we don't have to remember the email address of various persons whom we are dealing. We can just create our contact list in Gmail and we can arrange the email IDs. So what is the advantage? Whenever we are composing a mail, we don't have to type the complete email address. If the email address or person's name is in contact list, we will find out that as we type starting few letters, automatically we see the person's name and person's email address, and we just click and email address will be in the to box. Also we can form a groups. So same message, if you want to have to send to all the members of a group, in place of writing every member's email address, we simply select the group name. That mail will be sent to all the members of a group at the same time. Now we will understand how can we add contacts. For that, children, first of all we have to just click on a Google app button, and in that we will see there is a contact button. We will click on a contact button. In that, in the left side there is a plus sign shows create contacts. When we click on a create contact button, we find out that we have to enter the name of a person's first name, last name, company, email address, and then we click on a save button. So this way the person's name and email ID will be saved in our contact list. Also, if you don't want, we can delete the contact by clicking on a more actions and delete button. Also, if we want to edit some information, we click on a edit button. And as I told you, we can also arrange our contact list in various groups. For that, children, we have to click on a label option, and in create label we will give the name to the label or a group, and then if we want, we just right click on the person's contact and we can just add in the particular label. So this way we can arrange our contact list in a various groups also. That will be helpful. Thank you.